Well, I would just say as chairman, it's an honor certainly to be part of this association, and really appreciate all the people who work for the association over the years. They contribute their time on a voluntary basis, and they really do make a difference in the way the industry is perceived and the things that we get accomplished. So I really like to thank the people for all their hard work.
PCA really has been so much to so many people over the past 100 years. It is an organization that has helped its members to persevere, to overcome tough times, to continue to promote what is really one of the greatest building materials known to mankind.
I think PCA, when people see the letters PCA, I think there's a historical gravitas there.
On behalf of Schreiber Yonley and Associates and Trinity Consultants, we very much want to congratulate PCA on 100 years of being at the heart of the industry and everything PCA does. Thank you.
I like the PCA's leadership and contribution to standards, both at ASTM and ACI, has been outstanding. They've led the way, and a lot of the things that they did are in the standards, and I think the concrete industry wouldn't be where it is today without the PCA's leadership.
So our associate membership with the PCA gives us a seat at the table with people who are making decisions and setting direction for the industry.
On behalf of the National Concrete Masonry Association, I would like to provide a warm congratulatory statement to PCA. Congrats on 100 years of success. You've done great things. Keep it rolling.
America is an exceptional nation, and that's due in no small part to PCA and the PCA members. And I can't wait to see the future that we're all going to build together.
Well, certainly we appreciate the leadership, again, that PCA has provided to the industry, not only from a technical standpoint, from a marketing standpoint, but from a regulatory standpoint in defining issues, leading conversations. And we look forward to working with PCA in not only the near future on these issues, but going forward into the long term.
The Sunderland family has been active managers in Ash Grove for 4 generations now, since 1909. So as the PCA evolved, with our family being active in the PCA, was a natural extension from the active management of Ash Grove.
Well, I think one of the most important things that PCA has done is held on to a membership that has represented the substantial part of the industry over the years. The members have been dedicated, a great group of people. They've spent a lot of time working together, and the PCA, of course, has provided a forum for the industry members to get together and discuss and deal with those issues that are important to all members of the industry.
The Portland Cement Association and National Ready-Mix Concrete Association together have played a vital role in making sure that government, both at the federal level and at the local level, understand the importance of sustainability, resilience, the infrastructure role, and how the federal dollars need to be expanded and ensured.
I think PCA is a great organization that pulls together different areas of the industry, from the initial cement suppliers like FL Smith through the manufacturers.
Our infrastructure is our economic circulatory system. We're losing ground every day to the rest of the world. When organizations like PCA and NSSJ come together around that interest, we have a powerful story to tell and a message that resonates with policymakers. We can make a difference and create a better future.
So we've had a very long relationship, very positive relationship with PCA, working together to make concrete be a product that can be depended upon by people in Iowa and certainly all over the world.
We would like to congratulate PCA on their 100th year anniversary from MSHA. To all the executives, to all the miners, to all the supervisors, we thank you for your efforts and congratulate you on the success that your industry has seen, and thank you for all the help to make it safer for miners each and every day so that they may go home safe from their workplace. Thank you very much.
Yeah, PCA's role, contribution for me in my career in the industry has been the ability to keep the industry together, focused on common issues.
I think when you look at future challenges for cement and concrete, first you start with competition. And I think what PCA has done in moving us to the front of the pack as a sustainable construction material, environmentally beneficial material, the material of choice when you're looking at durability and life cycle analysis.
PCA has been a key partner right from the very start. The center was actually formed in 2000, and it was a partnership between the Iowa DOT and the Iowa Concrete Pavers and the university to address some research needs that in the industry. And right from the very beginning, PCA was instrumental in being a sponsor of developing our laboratory and working with the ICPA on putting together the resources to make the center possible.
Well, on the 100th anniversary of the Portland Cement Association, all of us at Ash Grove want to congratulate the staff at the PCA. We want to thank them for their commitment to the industry and the many decades of leadership that they've helped to provide on both the promotional, technical side, as well as the development of the industry in general.
I probably work with PCA more than anyone else, and so I'm more appreciative, and I really do congratulate them, PCA, or I congratulate you, PCA, on your 100th anniversary.
I'd just like to say congratulations, PCA, on 100 years of work in our industry. We certainly appreciate the support. We just celebrated 60 years in Wisconsin, and you know, we've been together the whole time. Look forward to many more years.
PCA has been key to really making cement and concrete an integral part of our everyday lives. Without the PCA, we wouldn't have a lot of the seminal research that was done originally with regard to strength and durability and how to design.
PCA, congratulations on 100 years, and here's to 100 more.
But we'd like to congratulate PCA on its 100-year anniversary. It is an organization that helped build America. Much of what's been done in this country was built on the back of concrete and the cement products. And it is time now to rebuild America. And we're looking forward to working again with our partners at PCA to continue the process.
I'm delighted to congratulate PCA on the 100-year anniversary, and it's been exciting to be involved throughout the several decades that I've been involved with, and on behalf of Cal Portland, we wish you continued success.
I think the PCA legacy should be really about the go-to organization for cement and concrete. The building material is concrete, so I think even though PCA is a cement organization, I really think that it's concrete, and I think PCA should be the go-to organization for concrete and be recognized as the leader in the industry.
Congratulations to the Portland Cement Association on 100 years of existence. We really appreciate what you do for all of us, and we thank you for your service to our country.
PCA has many things that offer us, training to our people, scientific research, advocacy towards any authority, or promotions for our products. So PCA support us and give us all what we need as a company.
The major strengths from the PCA, from our perspective, is the sustainability program that we have. Certainly it helps us to maintain our market share, as well as look at innovations that are forthcoming. It helps us look at certain areas that we need to improve upon, and so PCA has been a very good partner in that respect.
I think it's great that the industry is celebrating its 100 years, because
It's a great association, well respected by anyone that has anything to do with cement or concrete.
PCA is, to me, in my travels, is very well respected. From engineers, designers, specifiers, anyone that is in the world of concrete realizes and understands who PCA is and who they represent and what they offer in terms of a voice of the industry.
From the members of the National Ready Mix Concrete Association, myself personally, I want to congratulate the members of the Portland Cement Association and the association itself, its president Jim Toscas, on its 100th anniversary.
On behalf of the Ash Grove Cement Company, we are thrilled that it is the 100th anniversary of the founding of the Portland Cement Association, and we look forward to the next 100 years.
That I hope this, the 100th year anniversary serves to somewhat re-energize the industry and also brings it closer together to where we can be more effective and get more done in a quicker and cheaper way.
The Portland Cement Association is really a neat group because it encompasses not only the history of our industry and all the neat things that we've done over the past 100 years, and also going to give direction for where we're going to go in the future.
Well, I think Ash Grove's has been most rewarding in the PCA has been our opportunity to work with other companies in our industry on things such as promotion and education and legislative issues that are important to the industry as general. So we've been a long-standing member of PCA, and I think it's really, the association has helped us grow as a company, and I think we've been able to give back to the association and to the industry in general through some of our technical expertise and some of our people that have participated on various committees and leadership at the Portland Cement Association. PCA was the leader in the early days of understanding how to use concrete as a building material and for any other purpose. And so the development of the technology came directly out of the research that PCA was doing in the early 20th century.
In my experience, PCA has been a critical element of moving the industry forward just because they act as the glue that holds everything together, just like cement.
I think the value of the PCA membership is that it brings together all sizes of companies, the large ones, the medium size, as well as the smaller companies. It really taps into the expert knowledge that exists in the community of the cement industry.
Congratulations, PCA, on your 100 years, and I hope you have a great 100 more.
Since we started the Alliance in 2008, we've seen accident frequency rates decrease by 31% in all the cement plants across the country. We've also seen accidents to contractors working at cement plants decrease by 39% across the country. And I think this is a joint effort on projects that we've taken by buy-in by the cement industry to make safety a core value within the industry.
Associate membership in the PCA, I believe, has brought tremendous value to FL Smith. I mean, both from a perspective of just networking, being in the same room as people, there's a tremendous amount of research and training that the PCA has been offering, as well as kind of bringing the associate members and the members together and kind of finding common purpose and welding it into common action.
Well, for me in particular, PCA's value has been a lot about helping small producers have a voice in a lot of areas where they otherwise might not.
The Monarch Cement Company is a public company, but we're controlled by 5 families. And the PCA is very important to us because of the economy of scale that it gives us with regard to promotion, to economic reviews and studies that Ed Sullivan produces. And there's so many things, especially the things that CTL can do for us, that they have facilities available to us as members that we could not afford to do on our own.
EPA certifies manufacturing plants in the United States where we can reliably measure the energy performance for that sector. In the case of the cement industry, we are able to do that based on a good amount of data and the support that the Portland Cement Association has provided us. In 2014, 27 cement plants earned ENERGY STAR certification. On behalf of ENERGY STAR, congratulations PCA on your 100th anniversary.
PCA is always focused on research or factual-based promotion, so that any claims that it makes about the benefits of cement or concrete are backed up with some pretty significant and sometimes costly research that just needs to get done.
And on behalf of Martin Marietta, I'd like to congratulate PCA on the 100-year celebration and the next century ahead of us.
So I've worked through different trade associations in Mexico, and when I came to the U.S. and started, working with PCA, I was pleasantly surprised about the strength of this association. I found a very traditional association based on the great support of its members and a great staff with a lot of expertise in what they do and a lot of loyalty to the association.
Well, I think PCA has done a great job of kind of collectively keeping all of the cement companies in focusing towards what we need to do to become a stronger industry.
The PCA, Portland Cement Association, plays a critical role. I mean, the industry and depending on what are the key issues at any given time will evolve. But at the end, I do believe that the Portland Cement Association is really the glue, the cement that binds all of the businesses and the associations that surround it, be it the NRMCA, the ACPA, Precast, Masonry Block. At the end, really, the Portland Cement Association is the one that is the glue that binds the entire concrete industry.
On behalf of the American Concrete Pavement Association, I'd like to congratulate PCA on its 100th anniversary. We really have enjoyed being your partner and look forward to 100 more years with you.
On behalf of Penta Engineering, congratulations on 100 years, PCA.
On behalf of the officers, directors, and members of the American Coal Ash Association, I'd like to congratulate the Portland Cement Association on its 100th anniversary. We've had a wonderful collaboration with PCA on many levels over the years, and we hope to have another 100 years of collaboration with PCA and get into new frontiers in the recycling of coal combustion products.